everyone, in today's mini tutorials, let's quickly learn how to draft the shirt collar. I have drawn two lines. This shall be on fold. I have left a gap of 5 inches from the top. This is my margin and this is the 5 inches gap. I have drawn a line. My collar will be of 9.5 inches. So here is the point of 9.5 inches. I will draw a horizontal line on a 90-degree angle. My neck width is 2.5 inches, which I shall mark from here, 2.5 inches, and this entire thing is of 9.5 inches. To start with, this will be my fold, and on the open side I will go up by 1.25 inch. You can also go up by 1 inch. It is up to your choice. You can directly draw a curve with your hip curve scale if you have one, like this. This will become our collar band. So I have drawn a curved line connecting to my 2.5 inch mark because this is the neck width. So at the back, this portion should be on flat surface. Otherwise, there are chances that it might go crooked. You might also come down just by around half centimeter to make it a smooth curve. Now we have to measure where our 9.5 inch mark comes, because ideally when we draw a curve, it expands a bit. Here is the 9.5 inch mark. So I will have to align the edge of my ruler or whatever straight surface you have with the 9.5 inch mark and draw a 90-degree angle here. So this will form the band of the collar. I have chosen my collar band to be 1.25 inches, 1 1/4 from here, and on this side I'll reduce 1/4 inch and keep it till 1 inch on the open side. So see, my 1 inch aligns with the straight line that we had marked earlier, and I've come down by 1 block here. So because this is my final line. So 1 inch, 1 block. We will also keep it 1 inch, 1 block till the straight line. So let's draw a straight line here. This is again on fold, and then we will gradually do the curve. I will again take the help of my hip curve or leg curve, and I will simply draw the line. Now my band has to be rounded from here, so I can either do a freehand or I can take the help of any of your French curves will also do. This is also a curve. Now we will do the collar leaf here. So this is 1 inch and this is 1 inch, 1 block. We will keep a gap of 1 inch on this side, 1 inch on this side on the closed end, and we will start doing our collar leaf. So from the edge where we had squared the line, I will come in by 3/4 inch, that is 0.75 inches. 3/4 inch, 3/4 inch, and again with the help of the leg curve, I will join both the points. I will try to keep this portion straight, and then I will join it with a smooth curve. This curve will not be very drastic, just a smooth curve. And now I have decided my collar bead to be 2.5 inches. The squared line was from this point. I will go up by 2.5 inches here, and on this side I will go up by 1.75 inches. So on the fold side we are going up by 1 3/4, and on the open side, from this edge, we are going up by 2.5 inch. Now again, we will draw a straight line till our neck width, and then we do the same thing, that is drawing the points with a curve, and we are almost done. This is the final line. So this is my collar leaf. Let's do a revision. 2.5 inches of neck width. Whatever your neck width is, you will place it here. This 2.5 inch would not be fixed for everyone. It will vary from person to person, whatever the person's neck width is. So I will write neck width here. So this is the neck width. I have gone up by 1.25 inches, 1.25 inch up. This is 1 inch, this is 2.5 inch, and on this side I have gone up by 1 inch, 1 inch, 1.75 inch. And just if you have a leg curve, it is very smooth, just place it and join the curves. And if you do not have it, you can either measure and do a freehand, or you can do it with a scale. Just move little by little and you will be able to get your curve. The only thing that is left here is to join the point on the collar band with the point of the collar leaf. This will be the notch. This is our leaf, collar leaf notch. This portion will get joined with this portion and it will folding, and this will get joined with our bodice, the collar. We will put a notch here and we will cut it out, and our collar tutorial is done. This is the collar leaf and this is the collar band. This is our shirt collar drafting. Try this method of the collar once and let me know your feedback. Whenever I've tried it, it has come perfect. If you do not want your notch to be so bold, you can come in by 1/4 inch like this. But I will use this one, and this entire portion will get cut. This portion will get cut. This portion will get cut, and we will cut off this portion as well. We have come to an end of today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till then, happy sewing and take very good care of yourself. Goodbye.